So I posted this video last like 6 months ago that I haven't been able to like give you a free portfolio as I promised. So since we are 200 now, I will show you how to do it. So ang pinaka number one na reason kung bakit hindi kayo nakakakuha ng client is wala daw kayong portfolio. Pero um, let me tell you, hindi mo kailangan ng client para magkaroon ng portfolio. So today, I will teach you how to make your free Shopify VA portfolio guide. Zero experience ka. Reality check, clients don't care if my certificate ka. So they care about one thing, if you can do the job. So instead of waiting for a client to give you experience, gagawa tayo ng sarili nating experience. So when I started way back in 2016, I don't really have experience. So I just applied on Upwork. And then um, during an interview, since I don't have really any experience, um, my first interview was a video call. Normally, it's a video call. However, sabi ko wala akong camera since I'm just starting. And then, why I do that is because, for example, a client asked me one thing about the job, and I have no idea. So I can still do a research on Google on like kung para sa sagot. And then I don't use my camera para hindi malaman na or hindi ako makita na kung anong ginagawa ko. So, you can avoid that because I will be teaching you or be giving you samples like a real task on what I do on a daily basis and what I provide to my team as well. So, step one, create. If you want to be a Shopify VA, of course, you need to know how Shopify works. So you can go to Shopify and then you can create your own account. It's free. You can start a free trial. So what's my email? One second. And then start your free trial. All right. So right after that, it's asking you to pay, but you can skip this, and we will skip everything. All right. Perfect. So this is what a Shopify dashboard looks like. So if you're a Shopify VA, you will always see this. So this is the first time that first time that you will see homepage. So this will be the orders. Dito makikita kung yung mga orders ng customer mo or client mo. And then products. This is where, if you're a product lister, this is where you will use. So sometimes you don't get any access to all of this because if you're only product lister, ito lang ibibigay nila. So this is where you add product. So collection as well. Inventory, you don't normally use that. Purchase orders as well, no need. Transfers, no need. Gift cards, no need. In case you're a media buyer or marketing, then you will use this. Customers, you will not use this. So ito yung mga nag-sign up sa newsletter ng client mo or ng website nyo. Ito, kikita. Segments, you won't use this. And then marketing. This is where you get, if you're a media buyer, you can use, or sometimes you use this, but I am also a media buyer, but I don't use this, so let's skip that. Discounts. This is where you can get, or create a discount code for example, you have a Valentine's Day, Chinese New Year, promo. So this is where you create a discount. So a just create a discount. You can just choose if anong klaseng discount siya. For example, buy one and get free buy one product and get free other product, and then you can also just do 50% off of your product dito mo gagawin, and then amount of the order discount. For example, um meron ka lang ibibigay na $10 discount, ito yung pipili mo, and then for free shipping. Yeah, this is self-explanatory. And then content, dito mo makikita yung mga images na ina-upload mo if you're building a website na. So menu, this is where the navigation. So main menu, I'll show you how it looks like, by the way. So right now it's blank. Of course, we just made it. So this is the menu. So this is where you update the menu. If you're building a website, we will do that soon. Well, main menu. And then, for example, home catalog contact. See home catalog contact. And then the footer as well. This is where I don't have a footer yet. And then in order to change that, for example, you will do shop now, and then you can do all your, you can actually change, for example, ano yung link or destination if the customer will click this catalog. So you can just choose a certain collection, you can choose a product, either page, you can just choose here. So I change it to shop now and save. And then let's refresh. See, it just changed. So dito mo i-edit yung menu ng store mo. So this is actually a live store. And then blog, if your client wants to create a blog, this is where you do it. But most Shopify dropshippers won't use it a lot in case they unless they are a big fans. And then markets. Um, if you're not a e-commerce manager, you won't use this because pag bigay ng access ng client nyo sa inyo, the store is already built up. So what I can suggest is you start getting skill on how to do product listing first. So you can start applying as a Shopify product lister as soon as possible. So this is where you will use mostly. So let's see. Add product, and then this is where you get title. So live sell and then this is where you upload the photo. Okay. You can apply. I can add more. This is just a basic, so I will teach you also how to optimize or to build a good product page. So let's apply this. This is what I built earlier, and you will see how I did it on my previous video. So just wait for it to load. Here. So this is where you put product description. If your client don't have product description yet, you should do your own. So we can do ChatGPT. Right. So I have a prompt. Wait a sec. So this is a prompt where I use for yung pinaka-simple na Shopify product listing na ginagawa ko. So for example, you're an 8-figure drop shipper selling unisex. So let's change that to our product name. Your target demographic is obviously this is anti-aging, so 50 plus. Goal is to buy now and competitor product description. If mayroon ka, you can paste here. If not, no need. And then generate. This is ChatGPT, by the way, if you don't know. All right. I'll just paste it here and then I'll make it center and then I'll remove the line. Okay, okay, let's do a price. For example, this is 1,000. Normally you'll do dollar. So inventory track. Okay, I'll keep everything as it is right now. Save. And then preview. All right, so this is the bare um product um product page. This is the bare product page that we have right now. We will optimize that moving after, like we'll optimize that soon. So this is where you can see the title, the price. You see this says unavailable because it says here trapped or inventory is trapped. So if you can click that and just save, then go back to your product. See, you can add it to cart. So if you can see this is actually pretty plain. So you can change this to heading to, right. And also you can add image here in between. And also we can do compare price, by the way. So for example, it should be 2,000. So we are 50%. So right now there's only one, right? So after adding, let's say, let's refresh. See, it looks better now. So let's see on mobile. So this is how it looks like. So live sale, and then see that you have now a compare price. For example, it's on sale, and then see it looks better than it used to be. So tip, always use a good images because people don't read descriptions. Even you guys, you won't read descriptions on Shopee or Lazada or Timo. So yeah, this is how you do it. Now next time I will show you how to optimize this website to have it looks like this. See. Um, see. Go to my work email. Okay, there. All right. So obviously this is in German. Okay, this is what I made for client. This is the very basic, I would say pinakapangit na Shopify store na nagawa ko because this is the client's requirement. So you can see there is a hero banner. The menu are updated. That seller is here. All right. So one of the other, no. Alright, so this is one site that I made as well, which is very optimized here. Alright, so if you know how to do this, you will be paid 20,000. Pinakamababa na yan for just this website alone. So yeah, let's get there. Just subscribe and I will teach you more. So for all the action takers, kung sino talagang gustong mag-start na ASAP, so I have a challenge for you. So create a Shopify account like what I showed you, and then create your one product listing. Choose, or you can practice for more if you like. So you can choose any products you like. It's either yung mga na-add to cart mo sa Shopee na isang taon na hindi pa rin nati-check out. So, yeah, create a product listing for that, then send it to Discord, and you can see it on the video description. Also, I will provide you the prompt for my product listing that I showed you. And then, I will choose yung pinakamaganda. And then, I will do a live or maybe a feedback and next Sunday. All right. See you.